Hello everybody, I'm Alessandro, welcome back to this new video. Today I want to show you how you can use our very first version of the Potion Forge generator, an add-on for Blender that you can use to customize a simple potion and export it with your custom text and logo ready for 3D print. So first of all, you need to download the latest version of Blender. Mine is 5.1.1. You can just search on Google. It's very easy, blender.org, and download the latest version. Then you go to Edit Preferences, and we need to install the add-on from our zip file that is available on the is available to download. So this one. Okay, once you have installed, you just need to tick this if it's not enabled, and you can close this, and you can check if the add-on is installed by pressing N button. So this tab will pop up, and we will see this latest one, Epic Drops. Great. So before we start, let's press A and X so we can delete everything. Now, the add-on is very easy. So you just need to follow my steps. So the first one is to load the potion template. It will take some seconds to load everything. Is big compared to the view. So we need to set unit scale to millimeters. So this is ready for 3D printing. That's why this set unit. And as you can see here, there are few customizable things. So first of all, the medallion here, the body text label, and the plaque label down there. So let's start with the medallion. The medallion is very easy. It's a detachable part. As you can see here, there is a little bit boolean, so you can easily switch if you want. So first of all, we can change the image here. This is a random image, but in this section you can see this button here. You can press it, go to the folder where you have your alphas, and choose whatever icons you need, but be sure please to have the image with a black background and the white drawing. Click it and it should update. You can also scale it up, scale it down as you wish, and this is for the medallion. Very easy. Now let's move to this text one, the body label. Here you can change the text, of course. You can change the font. For example, you can choose your own font. Okay, and you can also split in the text in multiple lines. To do that, you just need, as you can see here, you just need to add the /n and whatever thing you want. So let's say welcome. Okay, and then of course you can resize the text. You can disable it if you want, if you don't need the text, of course, and you can also engrave this, as you can see here. Okay, now let's move to the latest one. As you can see here is the same thing, so let's call it potion. Okay, with a different font. Let's say, I don't know, this one. Okay, you can resize it if you want, as you can see here. You can disable it if you don't need it, and you can also engrave it. The engrave function doesn't work for all the type of fonts, so the simple one goes well. Okay, for example, let's take the before regular. It should be update. Yeah, exactly. So prefer the extruded version instead of the engraved, but you choose. Same thing of the medallion. This is as a pin, so with the boolean, so it will be easy to print it separate. And that's it. In the bottom part, you can see that you can export the medallion, the plaque, and all pieces. If you press export all pieces, all the separate pieces will be exported and ready for 3D printing. Let's try this. So export all pieces, choose a folder. Let's try this. Let's go then to Bamboo Studio. Let me put it up. Okay. And then it will be like this. Let's import the F5 STLs. Let's say no to this, so will be all separated. And voila, all the pieces are ready to be printed. Of course, you will need to add some supports here, but all the customized things that we have done in Blender are okay. The sizes are perfect. The text here is already Boolean, so you can just start printing. And that's it. So one piece is here, one piece is here, the base, the body with the text, and that's it. I really hope that you like this potion generator, and if we get enough interest, we can find other feature to add to this. And thank you very much. I will see you in the next time. Bye.